Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add schema or markup on SiteGround sites. So before you creating an account, you will have to purchase the plan, and if you want to buy the premium or subscription of this SiteGround, please go through the link in the description. You will get a referral code from me. So after start by logging into your SiteGround WordPress dashboard, then search a schema on the right side, then click install now. So after installing and activating the plugin, navigate to a Sigma settings to add a Sigma markup to your website and enter credentials details such as your about and contact page URL and upload your logo. So just tab on it and next, and to add a extra custom post types present on your website to the list, click the add new button and enter the necessary details. This screen also allow you to add a schema markup to categories and your website's SEO performance. For more advanced functionalities, refer to the plugin documentations. So make sure you will have to fill all these blanks. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.